Okay, so now what I'd like to show is how you can use third-party JavaScript libraries with TypeScript in such a way that TypeScript gives you the same kind of rich feedback that it gives with the native DOM APIs, but with JavaScript libraries. Not TypeScript libraries, but JavaScript libraries. So what I'm going to do first is decided that saying a name in all caps is a little bit shouty, so it would be nice if we could just have it only capitalize the first letter there. And so there's a library called Lodash that gives us a utility function that lets us do that. So I'm going to say npm install Lodash here. And now an important thing to note is that Lodash is a JavaScript library, not a TypeScript library. So what we're going to do is also npm install @type/Lodash. And what this does is that it retrieves what are called type annotations for Lodash. They're basically things that are sort of like this, but separate from the actual source code of Lodash, that basically tell TypeScript about the kinds of API Lodash has. Once we've done that, we can actually start importing it. And now that we've got that, I can, for instance, remove this and then say _dot upper first. So this is another nice thing, is that it has full knowledge of Lodash's API, so we get syntax completion for free. And then another really nice thing is that it's not only giving me type signature information about upper first, but it's also giving me the documentation for it, which is really helpful for discoverability. So we'll say upper first name and save that. Now, one thing that we have to keep in mind here is that by default, TypeScript does not actually bundle third-party modules for you. You actually have to use a module bundler like Webpack or Browserify to do that. So I am going to actually, I've already installed Browserify, an add-on for it called Watchify, and a plugin for it called Tsify, that's the really important one. It basically turns our TypeScript into JavaScript along with bundling the modules.